Hi everybody, Carol's here in the art room today. I'm gonna do a bloom, it's not a bloom, sorry, a reverse dip on this 6x6 tile. I am using some paints that I put some clear primer in and floetrol. I'm gonna see if I get any reaction. Oh, and a few drops of Liquitex pouring medium. So this is my pearl white Rust-Oleum. I have quinacridone magenta. And I have basics magenta and rose pink mixed together to make a lighter pink. And I have some Rust-Oleum gold also. Okay, so and I've got a little napkin that I'm gonna try today. I'm gonna spray it with my spray bottle. Okay, so I've got some Liquitex Basics white and floetrol. I've been so busy doing blooms and techniques. I haven't done a reverse dip for a while, so I'm trying to figure out a new recipe. All right, so there. Okay. Now I'm not sure. I'm trying to figure out, should I do circles or should I do dots? I don't know if I can. I don't have it in bottles, so it'll be harder to do the dots. So I might just do the circles. I'll start with the quinacridone magenta. See if I can do this without. It's good to go out wide, because when you do a reverse dip, it pulls the paint into the middle, makes your flower look smaller, so you want to be out as much as you can. I should have gone out a little more on the side, but okay, so that's the, so I'm trying to think. I'll put the pearl. Fiona did one with floetrol recently. She tried it. It came out nice, I thought, but she didn't get as much lacing as she does with her pouring medium. But we can't get her stuff, and I can't figure out what to get in Canada to be equivalent to hers. So I'll just carry on with my own. Floetrol recipe. This is a Rust-Oleum soft gold mixed with floetrol. I think my floetrol mixture is about 50-50, or maybe a little more than 50-50. The floetrol is more. So I'll try my light pink now. Alright, I'll go with my dark now. Some gold. Let's hope this isn't too watery. This is a metallic, and the white is a metallic pearl metallic. I need to get my heat gun, or my little torch, and I'll the air bubbles out. Let's go with this light pink again. Sorry about that loud noise, that's my dryer. It's a really old dryer. That makes a funny noise. But getting a new dryer soon, so I hope it's nice and quiet. Because when I'm down here, I like to do things, get my laundry done, do painting all at once. So I need a quiet dryer. And a quiet washer. Okay, so pink, magenta, some more pearl. Whoops. There's a big glob of it there. A little bit of more gold. I'm going to put some color in the middle. So it's going to put some more of this pearl white around. Okay, so I've dampened my napkin. I haven't tried this before with a napkin, so let's wish us luck. I'm just tapping it just to make sure there's no air bubbles, but it lays down pretty good. Okay, I think that's probably good enough. So let's try and do this evenly. I'm going to stand up. See how small it goes? I should have even gone out farther. I don't know if my paint was too runny. Oh, a lot of cells. That's not giving me my reaction that I wanted around my metallic. Wow, this is kind of disappointing. My paint might have been a bit too runny. Colors are really pretty together. it's starting to look pretty now. The more I stare at it, the more I like it. I like the colors together. I think I'll do this again, but maybe I'll thicken my paint up a little more. I'll hold this up. Should I keep it? I think so. It's pretty. It looks like it's called a dianthesis. So maybe if I make some more lines like this, it'll look pretty. There. Awesome. Thanks for coming by. There you go. I like it. First I didn't like it, now I like it. Have a great day, everybody. Come back soon to Carol's Art Room. And please subscribe if you haven't already. And hit the bell for notifications. Hit it twice. And if you already are a subscriber, please check your notifications and make sure they're working so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.